we are upgrading this absolutely gorgeous Audi A7. It looks absolutely phenomenal, however the sound is pretty disappointing. So it's now time to get into today's video, change all that. So you're going to see a little bit of footage of the install, and then later on in the video I'm actually going to go through everything that we've done to upgrade this car.
So I've just printed off these A7 tweeter speaker adapters for the A7 we've got in at the moment. We're replacing the tweeters in the dashboard, and we're going to be replacing the factory speakers in the doors as well. We're going to be putting in 6.5 Audison woofers, which are also going to have custom printed brackets so that they can fit into the factory locations. The tweeters will come out of the top here, and we're going to be replacing them with our Audison tweeters as well. And we're also going to be installing a sub in the back, fully active, that will just go in with the car.
Hopefully you've enjoyed that little bit of B-roll of the install, but now it's time to talk to you about the actual products that we've got going into the vehicle. So to start with, the vehicle came with the base sound system from Audi, which I'll go through when we talk a bit more about the front of the system. However, this car did have a factory sub in the actual vehicle. However, it was pretty poor, and this is the same sub that you get in the RS6, you get in the A6s, and that actually sits right underneath the floor here. So underneath your floor, to know whether you've got this system, in your spare wheel well, this is actually your spare wheel, and then this part is actually your sub. It is incredibly poor, and we'll pop up a little bit of a shot of that actual sub, because when we did the RS6, the last one we did, we actually got some shots of this and took this apart. So that's your sub, which is incredibly small. It's about a 5-inch speaker. Bear in mind, guys, your door speaker is bigger than that and deeper than that and weighs more than that. It is absolutely awful. So that is now gone. We've unplugged that, and we've now got the Audison Prima 10-inch sub. So we do a lot of different upgrades, as you've seen on our channel. Huge mix of different stuff. So we've got fully custom solutions. We've also got solutions like this, which, depending on budget, depending on sound, what you want to achieve in your car, how long you're keeping your car, this is a really cool little upgrade. So the Audison Prima 10-inch sub, and this is actually one of our packages that we've got live on our website for this particular car and other Audis. But the Prima 10-inch active sub, this is really cool and important, that basically it doesn't take up too much room. You might be thinking, well, yes, you've got the box here. However, you can still load shopping on top of it. You can still work around it. The other thing is it's got 4 Velcro feet here. So it's easily to be able to remove, and there's only 3 connectors to unplug the whole thing and give you all your boot space back. So hopefully you've seen a little bit more and understand now a little bit more about that 10-inch sub. So let's now move over to the front doors. So like I said earlier, this car had the base sound system, so there was no Bang & Olufsen in this car. So I just want to walk you through what we've actually got here on this door. So we've got a mid bass, we've got a 3-inch mid, which I'll move on to in a second, and then you've got a tweeter on top of your dashboard. When you have the Bang & Olufsen sound system, basically you see this grille here, that would actually have a speaker behind it. However, this car doesn't have a speaker behind there. So if you look carefully, this 3-inch mid-range, and if you own one of these Audis and you're looking at an upgrade and want to understand a bit more about what system you have, or what speakers you have in the car, all you need to do is grab your iPhone or your Android phone and just grab a torch and shine your light into this speaker, and you'll see through it and you'll see a speaker. You shine through here and you won't be able to see a speaker at all. Reason is because there's nothing behind there, and that grille is completely sealed. There's no actual holes, even though it looks like it. And all that is to make it look like it has more speakers than it does. So we've done the Prima sub, and then we've done an Audison Prima front end here. What this is basically we've upgraded the two-way set that is already in the car. So we've not added the mid-range. And this is fully customizable. Every client decides exactly what they want, and we go through different options. But that tweeter has been upgraded using the Audison Prima range, and then the mid-bass in the bottom of the door has also been upgraded with the Audison Prima range as well. The 3-inch mid, currently there was nothing there, and we've left that as it is. However, the difference you get is still massive. We added 20 sheets of soundproofing to the front doors and 10 sheets of soundproofing to the boot area. Really, again, important because that reduces road noise, builds a better environment for that system to work in. So that's the 3mm layer of silver that we've applied to now the back of the door cards, inner door cards, and also the central area which holds your actual speaker. The other big thing about this system is the fact that we're using 3D printed adapters. So the 3D printed adapters build a great foundation for that mid-bass to perform in. Again, a really important part of when you're doing an install. Also, you do get a little bit of moisture into these doors. Naturally, it's all very normal, but inside the back of here, they do get a little bit wet. Like all VW and majority of cars out there, you get a little bit of moisture in here. So again, rather than using MDF, we are using a 3D printed adapter here to again combat against stuff like that, make it last a lot longer. Plus means that it's fully reversible. We've got a nice exit route for the cable. It looks seamless behind here. But yeah, I mean, overall, it looks really good. I mean, it's pretty much stock look at the front. We've got the little sub at the back, which looks really nice as well. But yeah, over the moon. I'm sure our clients can be happy with the final results. We take pride in what we do. We take care of looking after your vehicle. We treat it like our own. We don't have parts left on the floor. If you ever want to come by spontaneously, just walk in. We'll show you and give you a workshop tour. You'll see how immaculate our place is. And the reason is because we take so much pride and care in looking after our clients' parts and also their car. It's treated with the utmost respect, like it should be, and the install is done in exactly that way. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you have enjoyed it. And if you want to see anything else in our future videos, make sure you comment below. Let us know. We're always after that positive feedback about how we can give back and grow our channel for you guys at home. So once again, thank you for watching and staying right till the very end. It really means a lot to myself and our team here. Thank you once again. I'll see you on the next one.